Guys, today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your TeamViewer app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just come here to show remote cursor here, click in this sign. So like you see here, this color show for us. That's make sure remote cursor here enable with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable it on your app. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all to enable this sign on your chime viewer app. So thank you for your watching.